The wheels on a Pelican Storm transport type case are crucial to keep you mobile. This video will take you through the steps to replace the wheels on Pelican Storm case models iM2500 and iM2620. The tools and supplies you'll need to get the job done include a magnetic bit screwdriver, a number 3 square screwdriver bit, a pin punch, and a hammer. Before you can install the new wheel, you'll need to remove the old one. You can follow along with these steps. Start by laying the case on its back with the wheels facing up. Remove the screws by turning the screwdriver counterclockwise. Remove the backer assembly. Be careful not to lose the handle retention tab spring. Use the hammer to gently tap on the pin punch until the wheel axles dislodge. Align the new wheel with the axle hull. While holding the wheel in place, push the axle in place. It should pass through, but if it doesn't, the wheel isn't properly aligned. Repeat the same process for the other side. Reinstall all screws with the screwdriver. We hope this video has helped, but if you should run into any issues, please feel free to contact the Pelican customer service team at 800-473-5422.